sa future or sa aspiring journalist?
For a dinosaur like me, who has been in the industry for 38 years, approaching 40 years, no?
But
We
you're
would only like
successful.
focus on, you know, the stories that we write and submit to the editors. Now it's already beyond that. We have to be more adept and familiar with social media platforms. You should. I mean, TikTok is more for the maybe Gen X, no, and maybe a portion of the millennials.
Yes.
But now you have TikTok, and then you also have Instagram. You have Snapchat. There are just so many other platforms that we have to adopt and pivot because you have to cater to as many market segments as possible. Before, it was just TV. You write a script, you report, you voice over. But now, you don't only do that, but you also have other responsibilities for your social media accounts.
Don't you find TikTok mababaw?
Well, it's really short, no? I mean, minimum, like 30 seconds, sometimes to 60 seconds. I also learn a lot. I mean, I think I learn a lot from the different platforms on how to produce the content. So you always must be able to adjust. I don't think anything is really mababaw. I think we just have to adjust to the digital platform that where we post and upload our content.